Fateh Arza ji, Sat Sri Akal. The Shabad today is again from Ank 1245 of Guru Granth Sahib from Sarang Diwar. Now this word Sarang along with color has got other meanings also. Sarang means lion, sing, and the bow and arrow, bow of Lord Vishnu. That is Sarang. It is Nanak Bani, and today it is 12th of Assun, and Nanak Shah year is 557. So title of the Shabad is very important. We talk about that Gurbani, Nanak Bani teaches us how to relish. Now this is most important part of relishing. That is Kal Khai. Kal is toil, hard work. Let's see the title. Kal Khai Kich Hathon De. Kal means toil, toiling. Khai, eat. Kich, some. Hathon De, give by hand. It means do hard work in life, toil, and give something in charity if you have extra. Now, this is very important because without doing hard work, without earning by way of hard work, you cannot relish life. Check it. You can relish life if you earn by doing hard work. Kal. And the Shabad begins, Gyan Vihuna Gave Geet. Now Gyan is knowledge, Vihuna less, Gave sings, Geet songs. Now this is about religious heads. During those times, today also, so many religious heads, they dance and sing. Primarily, they sing. So sings, religious head sings song of the God, that is Kirtan, without knowing how to live. It is, Babaji wants to convey that if a person does not know how to live, he has got no right to be religious head and sing the songs of the God. Singing songs of the God are meaningless. Singing songs of the God is meaningless if we do not know how to live, if we are knowledgeless. Gyan Vihuna. No knowledge. Most important knowledge of life of humanity is to know about how to live. Life itself. What can be more important than life itself? Nothing. Bhukhe mulla kare maseet. Bhukhe means greedy, hungry. Mulla means gurus. They are gurus, guides who guide us or a religion how to live. Kare, in the house, maseet, mosque. That such gurus have become so much greedy that greedy gurus turn their house in a mosque. That is the height of greediness. That they ask people to come and give money and proclaim their house to be a mosque. Makhtu hoye ke kann padaye. Makhtu is non-earner. Hoye ke did become, kann ear, padaye pierced. No, Makhtu is, today we use the word nikhattu, nalla. Khattu is who earns. Nikhattu is who does not know how to earn. So that is Makhtu. Makhattu. That is who does not know how to earn, who who doesn't want to work hard for earning. He is incapable of earning. So what his deplorable act is, he gets his ears pierced. You may have heard the song of Ranja. He got his ear pierced and thereafter started begging. So people who are incapable of earning because they do not want to do hard work, toil, they get their ears pierced and start begging. So begging is badly condemned by Babaji in any form. Begging is badly condemned by Babaji because we are supposed to beg from only one, that is God, destiny, universe, cosmos, not from petty human beings. Fakar kare hor jaat gavaye. Fakar kare means I do fakiri. Fakar kare, when I do fakiri, I live life like a fakir. Fakir is again who earns not, works not and begs. Hor means other. There are some people who do fakiri and there are others who Jat gavaye. Jat is caste, gavaye is loses. Now Gurbani does not believe in, Nanak Bani does not believe in casteism. Now which is this caste which is being lost? Some people do fakiri, others lose their caste. Caste is, our real caste is humanity. When we lose humanity and we do not work hard to earn, that is losing the caste, losing humanity itself. Gurpir sadaye mangan jaye. Now Gurpir is again guide, religious guide. Sadaye called, mangan begging, jaye goes. Guide is called, he likes to be called guide, but goes for begging. He likes to be called himself a guru, a guide, guru, peer, but goes to beg. So this is again condemned act as per Gurbani, that is Nanak Bani. Taake mool na lago paye. Taake of them mool na, never do, lagiye, touch, paye, feet. So Babaji is asking us, do not ever touch the feet of the persons who do not do hard work to earn the living, but they do dramebaji. That is this, all this. Singing songs without knowing how to live, making mask in the house, piercing the ears, exhibiting fakiri drama, getting themselves called guru, peer, but begging. All these people are not worthy of touching their feet. We should not touch their feet. Now the conclusion. Kaal khaye kis hathon de. This is title also. Kaal is toil, hard work. Khaye is eat. Rizq. Kich, some. Hathon de, donate, charity. So this is the conclusion of Babaji, that we should work hard in life, and if we are having extra money, we should also do charity. We should also give to the needy. So do toil, do hard work, earn by doing hard work, and give something in charity if you are having extra. So first condition as per Indian scriptures is that the person who is being given money, he must be needy. It is the person who is doing charity or who is donating the money, his duty is to check that person who is being given money is in actual need. It is the conclusion of Vedanta or Upanishads. These are last chapters, Vedanta, and intellectual as well as philosophical aspect of Vedas, Upanishads. Therein, it is stated categorically that charity is to be done for that person who is in actual need. Then there is an example in the Vedic literature that if I donate something to a person, he drinks liquor and commits rape. In that rape, I shall also be held responsible. One may argue that I did charity honestly, and if the person who received the money, he was bad, what could I do? No, I did not do my duty. I didn't check whether person who is being given money is in actual need or not. So it is the duty cast upon us while doing charity by the religious scriptures of Indian origin. So second is not to show off the charity. It is selfie culture, donating 2 bananas and having 5 selfies. You have seen it at social media. Vedic literature goes to the extent of stating that to whom we are giving money in charity, we are not even supposed to have eye contact with that person. Because if we see, while having eye contact, if we happen to see the element of shame in the eyes of that person who is receiving money like this, then all the charity becomes useless. No fruit shall be available for us for that charity. All is undone, wasteful act. Second is murdar. Babaji wanted to make us lions and tigers, not foxes and jackals. That is why it is a Sarangdi war. It may be war of the lions, single. Now why lions? Because a lion or a tiger hunts his own animal. He does not eat leftover, but jackals and foxes, they eat whatever is left over by the lions. That is called murdar, haram, bastard money, left over, because for that thing we did not do hard work. We are entitled to consume that thing only for which we did the hard work. We hunted our own animal like a lion, like a tiger. We are not supposed to be like a jackal or a fox or hyena, I think. I don't know the spellings. So Nanak Ra Pachhane Se. Nanak is Babaji Ra. Passage going to Gantavya, which is called Gati in our literature. Gantavya is destination, and our destination is how to lead a enjoyable life. That is the destination, not paradise after death, not at all. So Ra, passage for the Gantavya, destination. Pachhane, recognize. Say, they. Only they recognize the correct passage going to the destination who kaal khaye, work hard to earn. It is pure common sense. Again, if you do not work hard for earning the living, you simply do not enjoy. You or we simply do not enjoy. It is a fact of common knowledge, common sense. No doubt sometimes we follow the shortcuts, but we don't enjoy it. Check it up. People who are having excessive money collected with the help of shortcuts, murdar, bastard money, others' wealth. Check it up. Are they enjoying it? Not. So, now the tagline. Before that, passage is passage of life. That is, passage of relishing the life. We are on the correct passage. It shall be considered that we have recognized, identified the correct passage if we are relishing the life. And for relishing the life, earning by way of hard work is sine qua non, necessary condition. It cannot be dispensed with, it cannot be done away with. Whatever you do research, you decide, you take executive decisions, whatever you do, it is not doing toil or hard work, it doesn't mean labor. Whatever your profession is, you must do hard work so that you may enjoy the fruits of your hard work. That is the message Babaji wanted to convey, and it is most important, most significant message. Kaal khaye, kich hathon de. You enjoy it. It is not earning which is enjoyable. It is spending which is enjoyable. It is giving which is enjoyable. And earning which is earned with the help of hard work, that is enjoyable. As per Babaji. When I say Babaji, that means Baba Nanak. Nobody else. So I earnestly wish that you all start listening to command of your own mind. That is conscience, if you do not believe in God. And you all start relishing. Now, again, automatic consequences. If you do hard work, if you listen to the command of your conscience or your own mind where God lives, you will opt to do, you will opt to earn by doing hard work. These are automatic consequences once you start complying with the command of your own mind where God lives or the command of your conscience. So, Fateh Arza ji, Sat Sri Akal.